Hi there, students. A booby trap, a noun. To booby trap as a verb, or even booby trapped as an adjective. Okay, let's see. You know when you're a kid and you put a bucket of water above a door so that when somebody walks through the door, the bucket of water falls on their head? Well, that is a type of booby trap. Although booby traps are much more the word is much more commonly used in a war setting. A booby trap is something dangerous, normally a bomb that's hidden inside something that looks very safe. The car had been booby trapped. Yeah, the bodyguard was killed when checking the area for booby traps. So a booby trap, a device or some sort of setup intended to kill or harm people. And it's triggered by the presence or the action of the victims. And very often it has some sort of bait, something to lure the victim. Okay, and that is the idea of a booby trap. You pick it up and the bomb goes off. And that's a booby trap. Um, but you can use booby trap to talk about a practical joke. Yeah, where somebody suffers because um, you've set something up so that they harm themselves. For example, I always like booby trapping people's shampoo. If you fill the shampoo bottle with cooking oil instead of shampoo, then you leave them in a horrible situation. Okay, so to booby trap. And then notice as well, you can use this verb or the noun to booby trap, meaning metaphorically. Yeah. So there was clearly a booby trap in the question. She asked me, do these trousers make my bottom look fat? There's definitely a booby trap in that. Yeah. Okay. Or a situation that is booby trapped where if you say the wrong thing, you're going to get into a lot of trouble. Okay, so a booby trap, a trap for the unwary or the unsuspecting, a pitfall. Yeah, a pitfall is where you dig a big pit and you cover the top with very light sticks and you wait for an animal, maybe a tiger or even a person, to walk across it and they fall into it. I guess that's a type of booby trap. Or in a military sense, a hidden explosive device, um, which is which will be triggered to go off when some harmless looking object is touched or opened. Yeah, so they retreated from the army retreated from the city, leaving booby traps everywhere for the enemy. Now, another question you probably got, booby trap, two words, booby trap, one word together, or booby trap hyphenated? For this type of question, for me, is impossible. I would go for booby trap, two words, but I think all three possibilities are valid. So you could use actually any of them for a booby trap. Yeah, this is some sort of mine. Maybe somebody had set up a booby trap that made the car explode when the engine was started. Okay, so a booby trap. Metaphorically, a situation that catches somebody off guard when they're not ready. Yeah, so some sort of practical joke. Let's see. As to origin, this word a booby means a stupid person. Yeah, an idiot, a fool. So it's a trap for the foolish. You could have the booby prize when you come last, the prize for the lowest score. But a booby trap, you're fooled into a situation. Okay, so let's just go through it again. a hidden explosive device disguised as something harmless that could kill you, a practical joke like the bucket of water on the door, or then by extension, an unforeseen source of danger, a pitfall, some sort of trap that could go off and hurt you, but not physically, could damage your interests. Um, there are many, well, when I try making exams for students, I put lots of booby traps, lots of questions designed to make them make mistakes. Yeah, so an unforeseen source of danger or a pitfall. Booby trap, how formal is this? I think I would give it a 5 informality. I think you could use it absolutely anywhere. To booby trap a regular verb, they booby trapped the car had been booby trapped. And then the origin from the word a booby, a dunce, an idiot, a fool. And it's a trap for fools. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A booby trap.